Hi, I'm Colin. Today we're going to be talking about the P1800-3 and the P1800-D. Both of these units are a 240 volt three-phase heater. We are now going to take the lid off to look at the internal components and identify them. First, we're going to remove the sheet metal screws from the shield. Taking the lid off, paying close attention that we pull this side out, not to catch this side of the limit switch. Both the 1800-3 and D have two stages of heating elements: an over limit switch inner, over limit switch discharge, and a cool down thermostat. 3 contactor coils, a main switch, and an ambient thermostat. Now we're going to look at some preliminary diagnostics. First, we're going to test our heating coil. Remove one end of the coil, set your multimeter to ohms. You will want to observe 26 ohms across the coil. Now we want to check continuity across our limits. Setting your multimeter to continuity, test to make sure there's a sound. We will first want to check continuity across our over limit inner. This is a normally closed switch. Next, we want to check continuity across our over limit discharge. This is another normally closed switch. Finally, we want to check continuity across our cool down thermostat. This is a normally open switch. For the 1800D, there is a start capacitor. To tell us the start capacitor, you want to disconnect C1 and C2. Temporarily short these leads with a screwdriver. Next, grab your multimeter, set for 200K ohms, and attach your leads to the wires. You will watch the resistance gradually increase as the capacitor is being charged with the multimeter's battery. This shows that the unit is good.